Hi, hello, welcome back. So, today's topic, what we are going to discuss is how to calculate anesthesia charges in CPT. This is an important question, and most of the cases, like when you practice for your CPC exam and all, most of the candidates they don't know like how to calculate this anesthesia charge. When they get a question, they used to skip this question. Okay, I have seen it in many students. That's why I have thought I got a thought of preparing an PPT for this topic. So this is an interesting topic as well as it is an easy topic which comes under anesthesia. So here we have a formula which will be implemented to calculate this anesthesia charges. So as you all know, like anesthesia is a very easy topic. So the formula which we are using here to calculate anesthesia charges, anesthesia charge, base unit plus time unit plus modifying unit into conversion factor. This formula you should remember very well. Base unit plus time unit plus modifying unit into conversion factor will give you the anesthesia charge. Base unit, every anesthesia procedure has a assigned code. They will give you the base unit value, okay, that you have to take. When the procedure, like more complex procedure, will have higher base unit. Second one is time unit. Time unit is usually they will be telling you in minutes, okay. 15 minutes is equal to 1 unit. And modifying unit means emergency and the patient changing the health and all, that is called as modifying unit. Conversion factor also will be given in that. So here the question is, a diabetic patient who is otherwise healthy had a procedure performed under general anesthesia. Here the modifier is P2. Anesthesia service here given is 45 minutes. So 45 divided by 15, which is equal to 3 unit. And the anesthesia procedure has a base unit value of 5 and the conversion factor is $19. So here, as we told, base unit plus time unit plus modifying unit into conversion factor. Base is 5, time is 3 and modifying unit is 0 into conversion factor will give you the anesthesia charges. So this is the thing which you have to implement. While the formula you have to implement for calculating this anesthesia charge. One more example is code 00350, anesthesia for a procedure on the major vessels of the neck not otherwise specified as. Here the base value unit is 10 units. The patient is P3 status which allow 1 extra unit, so that you can calculate it as 11 unit. And the time here anesthesia reported is 11.2 am and the surgery begins at 11.4 am and the surgery finished at 12:34 pm, okay, and the patient returned to PICU by 12:47 pm. So here you have to calculate how many total minutes is utilized and divide it by 15. And here using 15 minutes time increment and a conversion factor given is 100. So base unit you have to take time unit into modifying plus modifying into conversion will give you the anesthesia charges. Here I have given the rationale for that. For here in this scenario it is given like 10 units plus 1 extra unit, so that it will be 11 units. And the time unit is 7 time units in 15 minutes increment is calculated by taking anesthesia time charge 11 2 and the anesthesia time ends by 12:47. So here the total time is 1 hour 45 minutes or 105 minutes, which is divided by 15, which is equal to 7 unit of time. And here we will be giving is 11 plus 7 plus 0, that is 18 units into conversion factor 100, which is giving you $1,800. That is the anesthesia charge. One more example I have added here. Code 00940, anesthesia for vaginal procedure including biopsy of labia, vagina, cervix or endometrium not otherwise specified as. Here the base value unit is 3 unit. Patient is admitted in the emergency. So which allow extra 2 time units. So 3 plus 2 is 5. So base unit is 5. And here the time starts performed are assigned at 2 am. Anesthesia start time at 2:21 and the surgery begin at 2:28. The surgery finished by 3. So you have to start from 2:21 to 3:36 and the conversion factor is $100. So like in the rational part we can see like how it is calculated. So the base unit, you have to base unit plus time unit. So here the base unit is 3 plus 2 5, and here the time is, it is starting at 2:21 and ending at 3:36. So total time minute is 75 is a whole time minute divided by 15, which is equal to 5 unit of time. So 5 plus 5 plus 0, which is equal to 10, which is divided which is multiplied into 100. So 10 into 100 is $1,000. Okay, so that is the conversion factor, anesthesia charges here. So base unit is 5, time unit is 5, and modifying unit is 0 into $100, which is giving you $1,000. That is the anesthesia charge. So whenever you are calculating anesthesia charges, you have to remember this formula very, very carefully. Okay, so thank you so much for watching my video. Repeat, try practicing these 3 questions again and again, so that it will help you to gain at least 1 or 2 marks in CPC exam. So thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please do subscribe and keep watching for all the updates. Okay, wish you all the best. Take care. Bye bye.